Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible benefits of adding just one spoonful of psyllium husk to your daily routine. You know me, I'm all about simple changes that make a big impact on your health. And trust me, this one's a game changer. We're going to break down how this natural fiber powerhouse can boost your brain function, keep your blood sugar levels steady, help you shed those extra pounds, and get your digestion running smoothly. We're talking about feeling lighter, sharper, and just plain better from the inside out. So, if you're ready to unlock these incredible health benefits with just one spoonful a day, stick around. We've got a lot to cover. And I'm excited to share all the amazing things psyllium husk can do for you. Did you know that your gut and your brain are in constant communication? It's true! What goes on in your gut directly impacts your cognitive function, mood, and even your mental clarity. That's where psyllium husk comes in. Psyllium husk is a prebiotic fiber, meaning it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. These friendly bacteria are essential for a thriving gut microbiome, which is linked to better brain function and a reduced risk of cognitive decline. But that's not all. Psyllium husk also helps to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the brain. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to brain fog, fatigue, and even more serious neurological conditions. By promoting a healthy gut microbiome and fighting inflammation, psyllium husk acts as a powerful brain booster, helping you stay sharp, focused, and mentally agile. That's what I call a win-win. We all know how important it is to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Spikes and crashes in blood sugar can lead to energy slumps, cravings, and even more serious health problems like insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Here's where psyllium husk comes in as a secret weapon for blood sugar control. Because it's a soluble fiber, it absorbs water in your digestive system and forms a gel-like substance. This gel slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing those dreaded blood sugar spikes after meals. Think of it as a buffer that helps your body process sugars more gradually, keeping your energy levels balanced and preventing those energy crashes. Adding a spoonful of psyllium husk to your routine, especially before breakfast or larger meals, can make a significant difference in stabilizing your blood sugar levels, especially if you're pre-diabetic, diabetic, or simply looking to maintain healthy blood sugar control. Chapter 3. Support weight loss. Let's be real, managing weight is a common concern for many of us, and while there's no magic pill, psyllium husk can be a valuable tool in your weight loss journey. Remember that gel-forming ability we talked about? Well, it also works wonders for promoting feelings of fullness and satiety. When you consume psyllium husk, it expands in your stomach, signaling to your brain that you're full and satisfied. This increased satiety can help reduce overeating and curb those pesky cravings, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. Plus, the fiber in psyllium husk aids in digestion, helping your body process food more efficiently. By promoting fullness, reducing cravings, and supporting healthy digestion, psyllium husk becomes a powerful ally in your weight management goals, helping you achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Chapter 4. Promote healthy digestion and detoxification. A healthy gut is at the core of overall well-being. It's responsible for absorbing nutrients, eliminating waste, and even supporting a strong immune system. Psyllium husk plays a crucial role in optimizing your gut health. As a soluble fiber, psyllium husk acts like a gentle broom in your digestive tract, adding bulk to your stool and promoting regular bowel movements. This helps prevent constipation and keeps things moving smoothly. But it doesn't stop there. Psyllium husk also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A thriving gut microbiome is essential for optimal digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. And if that wasn't enough, psyllium husk's ability to bind to toxins and waste products in your gut makes it a natural detoxifier. It helps your body eliminate these harmful substances more efficiently, further supporting a healthy and happy gut. Chapter 5. Enhance overall well-being. So we've covered the incredible benefits of psyllium husk for your brain, blood sugar, weight, and digestion. But the positive effects don't stop there. When you incorporate psyllium husk into your daily routine, you're making a holistic investment in your health. By supporting these key areas, you'll likely experience a ripple effect of positive changes throughout your body. Improved digestion and reduced bloating can lead to increased energy levels and vitality, helping you feel lighter and more energized throughout the day. Stabilized blood sugar levels mean fewer energy crashes and cravings, keeping your mood balanced and your focus sharp. And when your gut is happy, your brain is happy too. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved mood, reduced stress levels, and even better sleep quality. Psyllium husk truly is a gift that keeps on giving. Outro: one spoonful, endless possibilities. By adding psyllium husk to your routine, you're making a simple yet impactful choice for your health journey. Give it a try and experience the benefits firsthand. Remember, consistency is key. Start with a small amount and gradually increase it to find what works best for your body. Listen to your body and enjoy the journey towards better health.